The full-sized Ford Galaxie has spanned the ranks of the Ford lineup, from a large family hauler to even the R-code turnkey drag car specials. Few vehicles have had such a wide range of applications over their long production run. But with the Galaxie's production spanning from 1959 all the way up to 1974. There was a very short period of time when Ford built what was to become one of the most desirable and captivating full-sized cars ever made. And to match those stunning new looks, Ford had a little trick up their sleeve in the engine compartment that would make all the difference.